Hello everyone, my name is Louis Akeke and I'm here to give a review of the Hitachi Seiki HT20SII CNC lathe machine, which is actually a Tonian lathe machine. Um, One of the reasons why I want to do this review is because of how special and how important this lathe machine is, this Tonian lathe machine is, and for the fact that I have used it personally and I think it's one of the best machine that we could get out there. So just to mention this, the machine you see on the screen is not the Hitachi. This is DMG Omori machine, and the DMG Omori company bought Hitachi Seiki out. So going further, um, first of all, I want to give a brief overview of the Hitachi Seiki. First of all, the Hitachi Seiki is a renowned Japanese manufacturer and is celebrated for its innovation, its precision machining, and CNC technology with a legacy of engineering excellence. The company produced machines that balance durability, accuracy, and advanced control systems serving industry worldwide. One of the very important things about the Hitachi Seiki HT20SII is its powerful spindle and its programmable features, which makes it an ideal machine for mass production. Now, another very nice thing I like about this Hitachi because it gives you two options when you're going to go get it. You could either get the Yasnak LX3, which is a very popular interface, or you could get the other version, which is called the Psycho LII. And why does this matter? Why am I talking about the the infrastructure or the interface? It is important because the control system determines how you impute, how you run machine programs, and the precision and speed of operation, softwares and upgrades. This CNC machine, which I'm talking about, is what is in your screen right now. It's also a horizontal CNC lathe machine. It's also configured to have one spindle and one turret. In fact, when we go ahead, I'm going to discuss more about its torrent and where can this machine be used? How can it be applied? It can be applied in the aerospace, it can be applied in automotive sector, and it can also be applied in general manufacturing, like making bolts and screws and valves. It is a very good machine for mass production. So speaking on the key specification of this incredible machine, we talk about the bar capacity. The bar capacity is from 2 inches to 2.6 inches, which is very good for medium to small size bars or medium to small size parts. Another very interesting capabilities or specification of this machine is its maximum turning length. The maximum turning length is from 23.6 inches to 25.2 inches. Another one I'd love to talk about is its Torres index time. The Torres index time, the time it takes for it to change it to is about 0.1 second, which is very good for mass production. Another very important part is another very important key specification is its spindle speed. Its spindle speed goes from 30 to 5,000 RPM. Woo! That's really good. That's really good for turning small parts and for turning massive parts. If you want to turn a very small part, you want very fast RPM, and if you want to turn big parts, you want very slow RPM. This machine is super good. It's high precision. The spindle control is top notch. It has a turbo chip conveyor. It has a programmable tail stock, and it has an RS232 serial port for data transfer. I normally use this data transfer a lot because it's such an old machine and it can't store so much data, so much program inside of it. So you might need a computer. You might connect it. You might need to hook it up to a computer to transfer data, to transfer programs back and forth. So this gives you the availability to do that, to program, to hook it up to the most latest updated softwares that's around and maximize the machine to its best. Going further, um, where can I use this application? Where can I use this machine? Now, you could use it to make shaft and bushings. You could use it to make bearings and gears. You can use it to make engine component, like I previously stated, valves and spools and what sort not, whatever you can imagine to make, you could make with this machine. Whatever you can imagine to machine, you can manufacture with this machine. You could use different. It has a variety. Its versatility covers lots of materials. You could machine aluminium, you could machine steels, you could machine brass. I, for one, I machine some 2L14 bars, and I can also machine some stainless steel. I've machined stainless steel, and it really cuts it so good, it turns it so good, and you could get the best out of it. Another thing is for those who produce at high quantity. The other day I produced about 144 parts in an 8 hours for an 8 hour job, and it cuts it so good. You hardly need to change the tools because it's so efficient, and you could use it to create very intricate parts geometries, parts with lots of contours, parts with inner recess, parts that have really tight tolerances. Yeah, this machine is a machine for you. If you like this, if you love this review, you could hit the like and subscribe button, and you can view the part 2 of this awesome review. Thank you and God bless you. This is Lewis signing out. Thank you.